Welcome to our channel. Listen to short audiobooks every day and improve yourself.
Elisa Song. Healthy Kids, Happy Kids. An integrative pediatrician's guide to whole child resilience. Parents often find themselves grappling with a myriad of concerns when it comes to their children's well-being. From irritable moods and digestive issues to disrupted sleep patterns and sensory sensitivities, these symptoms are frequently dismissed as mere phases by medical professionals. However, a parent's intuition recognizes that even if these fall within the range of normal, their child is not experiencing true holistic health. The World Health Organization, or WHO, defines health as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. This should be the standard for our children, yet the statistics paint a concerning picture. 1 in 5 children suffer from eczema. 1 in 10 children have asthma. 1 in 10 children exhibit behavioral problems. 1 in 10 children struggle with anxiety, and this number rises to 1 in 3 for teenagers aged 13 to 18. 1 in 36 children is diagnosed with autism. If this is the new normal, then something is fundamentally amiss. Integrative pediatrics emerges as a pioneering approach to child-centered medicine, striving for comprehensive child wellness. This holistic paradigm recognizes that nurturing resilience is the cornerstone of a child's ability to bounce back from physical, mental, and social challenges, enabling them to live a rich, fulfilling life. Resilience begins in the gut. Whole child resilience begins in the gut. A happy, healthy gut microbiome is the foundation for a child's overall well-being. The gut microbiome, comprising over 100 trillion microscopic organisms, plays a far more significant role than one might expect. It is not merely responsible for digestion, but also influences the immune system, mood, behavior, and even genetic performance. When the gut microbiome is in a balanced state, our digestion, immune systems, cells, hormones, and brain function optimally. However, when the microbiome is disrupted, it can contribute to a wide range of childhood conditions, including reflux, constipation, eczema, asthma, allergies, ADHD, and autism, conditions often regarded as normal in childhood. The microbiome of young children, especially between the ages of 0 and 2.5, is particularly sensitive and in a critical developmental phase. A study involving nearly 800,000 children found that those who received antibiotics before the age of 6 months, which can severely disrupt the microbiome, were at a significantly increased risk of developing one of these conditions by the age of 4. The good news is that while a child's microbiome is more susceptible to negative external factors than an adult's, it is also far more receptive to positive external factors, even after the age of 3, when children's microbiomes start to function more like those of adults. The connection between the gut microbiome and the immune system is profound. Approximately 70 to 80% of our immune system is located in our gut, specifically in the gut-associated lymphoid tissue, GALT. When the microbiome is in a healthy state, the GALT can effectively identify which foods, germs, allergens, and toxins are friends and which are foes. However, when the microbiome is imbalanced, the GALT may allow too many foes to enter, resulting in recurring illnesses, or it may fend off too many friends, leading to persistent inflammatory conditions like eczema. In some cases, the GALT can even start attacking itself, resulting in autoimmune disorders like Crohn's disease. The gut-brain connection is facilitated by the vagus nerve, which serves as a direct communication pathway between the gut and the brain. Remarkably, 95% of neurotransmitters, or brain chemicals, originate from the gut. These include serotonin, which promotes relaxation, dopamine, which helps maintain focus, and melatonin, which regulates the sleep cycle. This intricate connection between the gut and brain highlights the profound influence of the microbiome on cognitive function, mood, and overall brain health. Furthermore, emerging research suggests that the gut microbiome can even influence genetic expression and outcomes for genetic diseases. By modulating the expression of certain genes involved in disease processes, The microbiome can potentially mitigate the severity or progression of genetic disorders. This groundbreaking area of study holds promise for developing novel therapeutic approaches that leverage the power of the gut microbiome to optimize genetic outcomes and overall health. The gut microbiome is a pivotal nexus, connecting the immune system, brain function, and genetic expression. By nurturing a balanced and thriving gut microbiome, we can support whole child resilience, promote optimal immune function, enhance cognitive and emotional well-being, and potentially influence genetic outcomes, paving the way for a lifetime of vibrant health and vitality. Small lifestyle changes can create big impact. Fostering a healthy gut microbiome in children is a journey that begins with simple yet powerful lifestyle shifts. By embracing these practical steps, you can unleash the transformative power of a balanced gut, paving the way for your child's overall well-being. The first step is to focus on a diverse and nutrient-dense diet. While you may have heard the advice to eat a rainbow of foods daily, it bears repeating. Incorporate a vibrant array of colourful fruits and vegetables, as these are rich sources of fibre, fermentation, and phytonutrients. Phytonutrients are plant-based compounds that possess remarkable health-promoting properties, including antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, which can support a thriving gut microbiome. Fermented foods are another essential component of a gut-friendly diet. These foods contain beneficial bacteria and postbiotics, which are metabolic byproducts of probiotic activity. Postbiotics can positively influence the gut microbiome, enhancing its diversity and promoting a healthy inflammatory response. Incorporate fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, pickles, and kombucha into your child's diet gradually. If your child is a picky eater, try the same yum, different fun approach, where you swap out familiar foods with healthier alternatives, such as homemade sweet potato and cauliflower cheese, instead of boxed macaroni and cheese. Stress reduction is another crucial factor in maintaining a balanced gut microbiome. The vagus nerve acts as a two-way information superhighway between the gut and the brain. When the vagus nerve is in a relaxed state, we experience healthy heart rate variability, HRV, which indicates optimal health and resilience. Conversely, when the vagus nerve is stressed, our heart rate becomes rapid and steady, triggering a fight-or-flight response. Mindfulness and mindful breathing exercises can help improve HRV and reduce stress levels. Try kid-friendly mindfulness practices like belly breathing, inhaling deeply into the belly, square breathing, inhaling for 4 counts, holding for 4 counts, exhaling for 4 counts and holding for 4 counts, and the stop, look and listen exercise, pausing to observe your surroundings using all senses. Hydration is another essential component of gut health. Studies have shown that individuals who consume adequate water have fewer harmful bacteria in their microbiomes and experience less constipation. If your child struggles to drink enough water, try offering fruit-infused water, coconut water, or sparkling water to make hydration more appealing. Finally, regular exercise is critical for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. The recommendation for children is to engage in 60 minutes of vigorous physical activity daily, which can be accumulated throughout the day. Instead of enforcing structured workouts, encourage your child to move their body in ways they enjoy, such as hiking, riding a scooter, bike, or skateboard, or participating in their favourite sports or activities. By incorporating these practical steps into your child's daily routine, you can nurture a thriving gut microbiome, supporting their overall health, immunity, cognitive function, and resilience. Remember, small, consistent changes can yield profound benefits, setting the stage for a lifetime of vibrant well-being. Learn to navigate illness holistically. Even with the best efforts to foster a healthy gut microbiome through lifestyle changes, it's inevitable that children will encounter illnesses. However, it's important to recognise that a healthy child isn't one who never gets sick, but rather one who possesses resilience and the ability to bounce back easily after sickness or stress. In fact, recovering from illness is a process that helps strengthen a child's immune system, enabling it to function even better and stronger in the future. When a child falls ill, antibiotics are often prescribed as a matter of course. While antibiotics can be necessary and effective in treating severe bacterial infections, they are also frequently overprescribed. It's crucial to understand that a course of antibiotics can severely disrupt the delicate balance of the gut microbiome. As an informed parent, you need to do the following. Understand when antibiotics are truly necessary. Feel confident in using appropriate home remedies when suitable. Possess the tools to restore gut health after your child has taken antibiotics. Let's consider a common childhood ailment, the ear infection. Ear infections can be caused by viruses or bacteria. Over half of parents believe that antibiotics are the only remedy for an ear infection. However, the truth is that approximately 80% of ear infections resolve on their own within 2 to 3 days, regardless of whether they are viral or bacterial. Moreover, there are wonderful natural remedies, such as Pelargonium sidoides, geranium extract, which can effectively provide pain relief while allowing the ear infection to run its natural course. There exists a whole arsenal of natural remedies and supplements. Consult reputable sources or, even better, an integrative pediatrician to determine which options should be included in your toolkit. Regardless of the illness your child is facing, following 3 basic principles will help them recover quickly and regain their usual vibrancy. Rest. Infections trigger a brain response called sickness behavior, where the body exhibits fatigue and loss of appetite. This is a natural response, allowing the body to conserve energy and focus on healing and rebuilding the immune system. While it may be tempting to provide relief with medications that seemingly restore your child's energy, it's better to allow them to rest and heal. Prioritize healing hydration. When sick, children may have a reduced appetite. If they have a fever, their bodies will attempt to reduce heat through sweating and breathing, which can lead to fluid loss. Replenish these essential fluids with broths and herbal teas. Seek medical attention when needed. While you know your child best, if something seems amiss or your child reports severe pain, is unable to hold down fluids, has a fever lasting more than 3 days or exceeding 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 Celsius, appears unusually drowsy, or seems confused and disoriented, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. By embracing a holistic approach that combines natural remedies, rest, and proper hydration, you can support your child's resilience and aid in their recovery, while also taking steps to restore their gut health after illness or antibiotic use. Remember, resilience is the key to a truly healthy child. You can learn how to remedy common ailments. As parents, we strive to equip our children with the tools to navigate life's challenges with resilience, including common childhood ailments. By embracing natural remedies and fostering a healthy gut microbiome, we can support their overall well-being and recovery. Let's explore practical strategies for addressing ailments like the flu and allergies while nurturing a robust gut. In flu season, call on homeopathic or herbal allies. When flu symptoms arise, consider gentle alternatives before reaching for conventional medications. Oscillococcinum, a homeopathic remedy, has been shown to significantly reduce flu symptoms and shorten illness duration when taken at the onset. The recommended dosage is 1 vial 3 times within 24 hours, even for infants, dissolved in water. Individualized homeopathic medicines can also provide relief for fevers, colds, and coughs. The specific remedy depends on your child's unique symptom presentation. For instance, a high fever with sudden onset may benefit from Aconitum napellus, while a low-grade fever with gradual onset may respond well to Ferrum phosphoricum. Explore trusted resources or consult an integrative pediatrician to guide your selection. Take a holistic approach to allergy relief. Addressing allergies holistically can alleviate symptoms while supporting gut health. Start by incorporating anti-inflammatory and antioxidant-rich foods, including omega-3 fatty acids from wild-caught fish. Encourage fermented foods, or consider probiotic supplements to strengthen the immune system and aid allergy relief. Quercetin, a natural antihistamine, can be found in foods like onions, apples, and grapes or supplemented. Vitamin C, with its antihistamine properties, can reduce allergy symptoms when taken at dosages around 2,000 mounting daily for adults, adjust for children's ages. Additional allergy supports include zinc, essential for immune function and addressing deficiencies linked to allergic rhinitis. Fish oil, Omega-3s can reduce the risk of developing asthma, allergic rhinitis, and environmental allergen sensitization. Probiotics. Specific strains like Lactobacillus rhamnosus and Bacillus coagulans can prevent allergy flare-ups, reduce symptom severity, and improve quality of life. Vitamin D. Optimizing vitamin D levels can improve allergic rhinitis and decrease medication use. Remember, fostering gut resilience is a journey, and these natural approaches can be invaluable allies in supporting your child's overall well-being and recovery from common ailments. To Healthy Kids, Happy Kids by Elisa Song is that a healthy gut microbiome is crucial for a child's overall well-being, impacting the immune system, brain function, and even genetic expression. Simple lifestyle changes like a nutrient-dense diet with fermented foods, stress reduction techniques, proper hydration, and regular exercise can nurture a balanced gut microbiome in children.